Hi everyone, and welcome to What We Cook USA. Today we're making a classic American meatloaf. Today I'm going to share my top 3 secrets to making the perfect juice meatloaf every single time.
Ingredients you'll need: 2 pounds of ground beef, use extra lean for best results, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 egg, 1 cup half and half. This is one of our secrets. 1 cup Italian breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons brown sugar, 2/3 cup ketchup, 1/2 tablespoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 2 teaspoons salt. Flavor base. Heat your pan over medium heat, then add the butter, then saute the chopped onion and garlic for about 2 minutes. Secret number 1, sauteing the onions and garlic first makes your meatloaf more flavorful and aromatic. Set them aside and let's move on. Make your topping sauce. In a small bowl, combine brown sugar, mustard, and ketchup. Whisk well until smooth and set aside for later. That's our sweet and tangy topping. Tip number 3, mix the meatloaf. In a large bowl, add your ground beef. Now mix in paprika, parsley flakes, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Add the Worcestershire sauce, then fold in the sautéed onion and garlic mixture. Secret ingredient number 2. Use half and half instead of milk. It gives the meatloaf a rich, creamy texture. Add it to your beef along with the egg, then mix gently. Now add your breadcrumbs and mix everything until well combined. Chill before baking. Secret number 3, let the mixture rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before shaping. This helps the flavors blend and gives your meatloaf a perfect firm texture when baked. Shape and bake. After chilling, shape your meatloaf and place it on a wire rack or baking dish. Top it with the sauce we made earlier. Bake in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius until perfectly cooked through. Now, final touch. Let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. And there you have it, a juicy, flavorful, homemade meatloaf that's tender, moist, and simply delicious. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below your favorite comfort food. Subscribe to What We Cook USA for more simple and tasty homemade recipes from across America. Happy cooking and see you in the next one.